In this video, we'll guide you through the process of pairing your smartwatch with Garmin Connect Mobile after switching to a new smartphone. Step 1. After getting a new smartphone, please reinstall the GCM app manually. The automatically extracted app may not function properly. Step 2. Please don't make a new account. Go ahead and log in with your original GCM account. Step 3. If you have your old smartphone, unpair all connected devices. And reset your watch to default settings. Note: if your old smartphone is unavailable, skip this step, but ensure to reset your watch for pairing with your new smartphone. Step 4. Please proceed to pair your device with Garmin Connect Mobile on your new smartphone. Once you've completed these steps, your smartwatch should be successfully paired with Garmin Connect Mobile on your new smartphone. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit the Garmin Product Support website.